Good morning. Welcome to Exploring Foods with Sweetie. And I am back with my 30-day review of the mushroom coffee. I have been on it for 30 days and I'm getting ready to make some right now. I put it in my cup already. You use like one of these spoons, a heaping spoon of this size right here. So what I'm doing is waiting for my water to boil, and when it does, I'll come back and we'll go over the benefits that I found and the benefits that maybe some other people found. Okay, so I did add my hot water. As you can see, it's boiling hot and I'm stirring it. Let me put this down so that you can see inside my cup. There we go. So here it is. I'm stirring it, and this is what it looks like once you get it all stirred in, like so. Okay, so usually when I drink my coffee, I always add creamer to it because I've tried it other ways, and we'll talk about that. So I'm adding my creamer, and yes, I add a lot of creamer. I add creamer to my coffee like that also. So once you get it added in, you have to keep stirring it in order for it to get really mixed. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cool down for a little bit. So let's talk about the benefits that they said the coffee has on the website. It says it helps your immunity system, helps you focus, gives you energy. It keeps your digestive system calm, and then it improves your organ health. So these are the benefits that on the website. These are the benefits that the website gives you for drinking this coffee. Now, I've talked to a couple of people who have been using it, and one of the persons said that they didn't feel any benefits from the coffee. And then another person said that they didn't feel as bloated after drinking it, and that they had more energy at the end of the workday from drinking it. So, for me, the benefits of drinking this, it's a good coffee. If you're expecting it to taste like coffee, it does not taste like coffee. It will never taste like coffee because coffee has its own distinctive taste. To me, once I add the creamer in, it tastes like chocolate. It's like I'm drinking a creamy chocolate, which is good. One of the benefits that I find from my experience of drinking the coffee is that I do feel a little more energized. It's good for my digestive system because mine was basically off, so it's been helping that. And I drink less coffee because when I say I'm a coffee drinker, I'm a coffee drinker. I can have like 2 or 3 cups of coffee and go to bed because the caffeine in the coffee doesn't affect me. But I had a cup of this one night because I thought, well, you know, if coffee doesn't affect me, I'm sure this is not. So I had a cup of this one night before I went to bed, and I couldn't sleep. So obviously, I guess it affects me in the way that coffee should be affecting me. Let's see. One of the things I don't like about it is they send you this spoon with it. For one thing, to measure your coffee when you put it in there, but you have to keep stirring it because if you don't, it will settle down to the bottom. And if you don't stir it and it settles to the bottom, to me, it starts to, once you get closer to the bottom, it starts to taste chalky. And that's one thing I don't like about it, because if you notice, I've been stirring. Other than that, the thing I can say about this coffee is really it makes me feel good. I don't know why. I mean, the reasons that they give, maybe that's it, but it makes me feel good. And it's like I drink less coffee after starting this, I've been drinking way less coffee. Because like I said, I was having coffee in the morning for breakfast. Then I have coffee in the evening, probably sometimes with dinner. And then sometimes before I go to bed, I would have a cup of coffee. So I noticed right off the bat that I've been drinking way less coffee. So if you're trying to stop your coffee drinking, this might be your helper. Other than that, I would say that you should give it a try. They give you a money back guarantee. If you don't like it, send it back. That's what the guarantee is for. So I think let's get a taste of it while it's not settled to the bottom. Yep, it tastes like chocolate. Now it says that you can drink this hot or cold. I've never tried drinking it cold, but because I do like the way it tastes hot, I don't think I would have a problem drinking it cold. So this is my honest review of the mushroom coffee. And I did finish, this bag is really almost gone. And the reason probably why it's not gone is because maybe two days out of the month, I don't drink it. I just have coffee. But they sent me another one, which I didn't know I was subscribing. So I had to call or go on their website and take out the subscription, but I just went ahead and took this other one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this one because like I said, it does make you feel good. But my most complaint of this is you have to keep stirring it, because if you don't and it settles to the bottom, it's yucky. So thank you for joining Exploring Foods with Smitty on this review of the mushroom coffee. Like I said, give it a try. You owe it to yourself to try it. And if you don't like it, send it back. Have a great day, and we'll be with more videos.